In this video, I will create a G-code file using Inkscape and Adobe Illustrator. First, in Adobe Illustrator, open the image you would like to cut. Next, this image will need to be converted into a vector. Select the image, then under Object, select Image Trace and click Make and Expand. This process oftentimes will produce duplicate paths. To remove this duplicate, use the Direct Selection tool shown as the white mouse in the toolbar. Click on the black image you want to cut and move it away from the duplicate. Select the area your object was just located in to select and delete the duplicate object and the border around it. Move the object back to the artboard and resize it to the size you want to cut. To ensure that the image does not become distorted, lock the ratio by clicking the chain icon next to the dimensions in the top right area of the window. Save this image as a PDF and under the Compression tab, ensure that the Text and Line Art box is not checked, then save the file. Now open a new file in Inkscape. Under File, click Import to open your PDF. In the PDF import settings, set precision of approximating gradient meshes to very fine. Select your object and select the color black at the bottom left of the screen. Then zero your object by changing the X and Y coordinates to 0. Then set the units of measurement to your preferred units of measurement. Going from Illustrator to Inkscape can alter the size of your object. Select your object and lock your size ratio by clicking the lock icon next to the dimensions. After checking the lock icon, alter the size of the object to your preferred cut size. Next, under Extensions, go to G-code Tools and select Tools Library. In the Tools Library, select Plasma and click Apply. A green window will appear. This can just be moved aside. Back under G-code Tools, select Prepare Path for Plasma and ensure that from top to bottom the menus read 50, 50, perpendicular, and 10. Then verify that Create In and Out Paths is checked and Do Not Add Out and Out Reference Points is checked, and then press Apply. You will notice at the bottom of your object two sets of numbers. Those sets of numbers need to be deleted. Next, you will need to delete the black object as you no longer need it. There may also be a duplicate path underneath your path, so move it to the side to make sure that there's not a duplicate, and if there is, delete it. Using the anchor tool, relocate the pierce points outside of your object. With your object selected, go back under G-code Tools and select Path to G-code. Under Path to G-code, go to the Preferences tab. There you will name your file and end your file name with .ngc. The directory is where you will input the location you want your file. To copy the address of where you would like your G-code file, select a file that is in the destination you want your files. If there isn't a file in that folder, right-click and select under New Text Document. Right-click the file or the text document you made and click Properties. Under Properties, you will see the location and you can copy it. After copying that location, you can delete the text file if you had to create one. Paste that address in the Directory tab in Path to G-code. Now go back to the Path to G-code tab. Under this tab, you can click Apply and this should generate your file. Before sending the file over your tablet, you can open your file in Basic CNC Viewer to verify that it is correct. This is our video for prepping files for a GoFab CNC machine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions in relation to this process, feel free to contact us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.